welcome back to another video. I know I haven't done a video in a long time, but So today we have another Pokemon unboxing. We have the new Sun and Moon. I don't know if you guys can see this as well, but we have the lunala Pokemon. Oh, the name is so hard. And then we got here, let me take this way. We've got a, what does it say? Plop, I think that's what it is. Litten and Rowlet. Well, we're gonna get this. We get the first starters, and we get 5 packs and a little toy of lunala. Okay, so let's open this up. Let's go to that. And let's see. So let's open this up. And, oh, I didn't even see that. You also got a little, thing you put on your, I don't remember. I'm not going to try to remember it at all. Come on. You got this. No, I don't got this. This is really not hard. Easy. Okay. Not hard. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we gotta get our card out. So let's get this to the side. Here. We can use the box as a little stand. So we can put that over there. Let's set this guy up. So, how do you do this? How does, oh, okay. So, this goes here. Gosh, this is not easy. This is not fun. Oh, I almost broke it, so I'm not going to push it in anymore. And we put it on there. So there we go. We got one toy fish thing. Put that there. Okay, so let's get this card out. So we're gonna have this card right here. And it's a lunala. Wow, it's pretty cool. It's a GX, not an EX. So that's new. And we've got our little starter Pokemons in reverse holo. I'm sure they're reverse holo, or they're just a holo. No, they're reverse holo. So we've got the plop. I think that's what it is. If you guys get me wrong, Rowlet and Litten. So let's get to this. So let's put this to the side. Let's get to these booster packs. I know the last video, I don't know if you guys saw it, but I didn't get as many good as cards as I thought I would have gotten, but this is really not easy. I feel I already have an EX. Or a GX. So you get 3 of these, put them in the front. Okay. Well, I don't even think I got EXs for me is like a big thing, even though I have millions, because I do Pokemon. There's an EX for you. Pulled it. Right there. Wow, but I got a stronger guy than that. This thing is, wow. Look at this. It does 150 damage plus. This guy is boss. Okay. So then we got our Kingdra EX. 60 plus, 20 damage. Yeah. Wow. First EX of the poll. And then we got... first EX of the pool. No. First EX of the packs. And then we've got all these random cards, so I'm just going to put those to the side. We don't really need to see them. Oh yeah, we want this guy. He's one of our good ones. Wow, I can't believe I already got an EX. That's really lucky for me. First pack and an EX already. It's like I get another one. Gotta kind of look away because I don't want to... Sometimes you can see they're shining. Oh, nope. Okay, I can just look at this. Okay, so we got some good cards since I already looked down. Let me just get the good cards because the regular... Oh, wow, I got the same with the same thing, but one of them's full art. Okay, so we got, I can never say his name. But we got this guy, and he does 100 damage and 30 plus. So, I'm going to put him over. And, I don't know if you guys want to see these, but I also got one of these. I don't know if you guys want to see these, but if you do in the futures or anything, just leave a comment, if you want to see the random cards, then, yeah. I'd like to get another more Sun and Moon stuff. Oh, I got one of the old cards. Woo! So, ooh, this is one of the old card packs, right? Yeah. So I've got, Magikarp. Shiny. Mew. What in the... Okay. That's weird. I wish I never saw that. That's... Wow. I don't know what to say about this. Whoever made this card has some issues. What is this? What? Ooh, what? And then we have our reverse hollow Mew and our shiny hollow Magma. I don't know what to say about this card. It's kind of weird, I have to say. It's actually more than kind of weird. It's really weird. I don't think I want to see that card again. There's a weird looking man attacking this pleasant bird Pokemon. So, if you guys want to see another Pokemon card, pause it. Comment. Try to get some luck, and then come back. Oh gosh. Rat-a-tat. Black. Well, never mind that. Yeah, that rat-a-tat sucks. But I got another one of these Spirit Links. That's what they're called, right? Yeah, Spirit Links. Pick up the cards. We've got one more pack. One more pack. Okay. Okay, one more pack. We're all done. This time I'm actually going to do the right thing and get the 3 cards. Pull over. Got Machamp, old Spirit Link. Oh gosh. These are really weird. What in the... got a shiny and a Rattata. I'm not happy. I'm just joking. I got my EX. I'm happy. So, yeah. So, guys, if you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment, subscribe. If you guys can never find my channel, look at more of my videos, give me some views, and subscribe once more, and comment, and once more, and bye.